Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I think everyone very well. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am very glad to be a member of Global Trainer Academy GTA. I am very grateful to my sincere, smart, expert team leader and team supervisor, Honorable Mr. S.M. Akkasali sir. I hope that GTA will be more helpful for the teachers to best train up many other faculties. So I want to be a educator award from GTA. It's the best platform to educational expert teachers. Many thanks to Honorable GTA OPEP Imran Malik sir. Now let me introduce myself. My name is Mr. Shirajul Islam. I am from Bangladesh, age of 44 years. I have successfully completed BA Honours and MA degree in Bengali language under National University of Bangladesh. I am lecturer of Somoni DS Alim Madrasa, Kuchua, Chandpur. I have completed 1 month training in ICT, Nectar, Bogura. I have also completed ICT training, online spoken English, online course of various site of Muktophat. I am a district ambassador of ICT 40 A2I. I am a district ambassador of ICT 40. I am also a member of Teachers Portal. I am a teacher so that I proud and enjoy my professions. It's dedicated to my enriching my students' intellectual faculties. To top it all, I try to lead a honest and peaceful life. I wish GTA help me to develop and encourage my professional experience. I want to success and go ahead GTA. Thanks of all. Thanks everybody. Stay home, prevent Corona COVID-19. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.